well, I knew that had happened, which this super tool here can't undo. Well, I can't use my left hand either, my left hand's knackered. Right, you've got to take this screw out because there's a holding plate. Right, this stupid screwdriver is just spinning around inside the plastic, so bear with me. Right, we're going to have to get a bit more serious with that then. So let's get the gripper on it. Gripper. And what have I picked up? I seem to have picked up another screwdriver. Right. That wasn't the Diddy one, this is the Diddy one. Diddy Diddy. Okay. Give it up. I can't tell if that turned or not. It looks like it has. Let's just get those out the way. Yeah, he turned. Right. Screw over there. What do these things do? I don't know. Let's have a look. Oh! Right. Be very careful. Be very careful of plastic bits flying out. Okay. Now we've got to lift. I think we've got to lift this up. Yeah, it's. Oh, look at that tiny connector. My goodness. Right. Okay. There you have it. Then there's your screen. Now we have got loads of glass shards everywhere in here, so I'm going to take 5 minutes just to clean all that lot up. Right, I've had a little pick around in there. There's all sorts of little bits of glass and stuff in there, so I'm going to clean it off now with some silicone clean off stuff, which is generally available for cleaning car panels before you paint them. However, if you've got something in the household that likes to paint its fingernails, you can also use nail varnish remover. So basically, from what I can work out, there's a silicone seal all around the edge. I wouldn't advise using paint thinners. It's too aggressive. It will attack and destroy anything that's not paint thinners resistant, and that's a lot of plastics and a lot of paint finishes. So this is going to take me another 5 minutes. I'll just come back when we've done that. Right, there most definitely is a seal of silicone gloop around this thing, which you really have got to take your time on to get it off. So I'm using one of these blades to gently try and pick all the crap off. And as you can imagine, this is very slow and tedious. And this video, because I'm trying to do it in real time so you get an actual feel of what it is like to do one of these, and not just some bloody, oh, I've done 1,000 of these before, I can knock these out in 2 minutes type videos. I'm trying to show you just how much effort you've got to put into this. So, I suppose those of you at this point that don't like being spied on, you can put some black paint on the front camera there, so they can't watch you when you're cracking one off. Not that Zuckerberg would do a thing. Of course. TikTok. That's a different story altogether. There must be vaults in China with billions and billions and billions of hours of people's faces recorded from their front cameras. But anyway, I'll carry on with this. Right, eventually you should reach a point where you've either got bored to death or you have cleaned it all out. It's a bit of a toss-up between the two, to be honest. I've got it pretty clean. I've also got pretty bored. So let's just introduce this lot to the floor. Or mini trunk, and sweep it under the sofa, and don't sweep your screw on the floor. Oh, excuse me. We'll have a look at the next part. So the next part is the screen. Now I'm sure you're supposed to be wearing some sort of anti-static stuff, etc., etc., but I haven't got any. Now I can only assume this tear off here is protecting the glue, and that tear off there is protecting the screen. So let's introduce. I'm gonna use that. Here, look, I'm gonna use that. There you go. That is absolutely tiny. Oh, hang on. I can see. Can I? No. Hold on. I thought I saw a speck of glass in there, but it's a bit of copper. Right. That has to go in there. That has to go in there and connect up. So this is the make or break. I'm just having a look at the old one. Yeah, it looks about right. Just having a look at the new one. So look. So yeah, alright, in all the videos I've seen they just go pop and on it goes, but trust me, it don't just go pop. In fact, I'm just going to compare the two just to make sure it is the right screen. You never know. Right, it's pretty hard for you lot to see this because it's almost impossible for me to see it, but I'm looking at the two side by side. The original, I can see a pin on the outside there on the original. I can't see it on this one. Also the end plate on this one, slightly different shape. So I'm just going to persevere off camera a minute to save some kind of time on this, and I'll be back. To be honest, that was only about 5 seconds, but I just sat it on the top there like that and just gently pushed on it both sides, and I felt it click. So I reckon it's gone in. So the next trick now is to just gently lift it over and press the button. What's a different colour for a start, and I turned the phone off as well. So why is the phone still on? I turned you off. Right, so what we got? Yeah, we have got, we seem to have it working people. So once again, I'll turn you off again and we'll get on with the next bit. The next part being gently, gently. Right, what you got to do now is put a very thin layer of this all around the extreme edge of the case and lift your screen onto the top. So, as the instructions on this here are written, so small that I can't possibly hope to ever read them. It does say method of use there and technical data. That says matters needing attention.